Before I proceed to read the judgment, my lords, the reason I'm citing it is I right through said, apart from all other arguments, that you cannot segregate the two. One of the principal arguments for recognition of a political party under 6A and 6B of the symbols order, those provisions I have not read, of 6A and 6B for a continued recognition. And recognition of a political party is the number of percentage of votes polled by MLAs, MPs, its strength in the House. These are all relevant factors. So what happens in the legislature can't be just kept aside. That's a relevant consideration within it. So to say that they're two completely distinct things and political parties distinct and legislature parties distinct is not correct. And that is what Sadiq Ali also notices in this paragraph, is what I wanted to show it for. The other paras, my lords, I'm not bothering your lordships on all those powers of the EC because we are not getting into that. It may be mentioned that according to para 6 of the symbols order, one of the factors which may be taken into account in treating a political party as a recognized political party is the number of seats secured by that party in the House of People or the state legislature. Assembly, or the number of votes polled by the contesting candidate set up by the such party. The number of seats secured by a political party or the number of votes cast in favor of a candidate of a political party can be a relevant consideration for recognition of a political party. One is at a loss to understand as to how number of seats in parliament and state legislatures held by supporters of a group of political party can be considered to be irrelevant. We can consequently discover no error in approach of the Commission in applying the rule of majority and numerical strength for determining as to which of the two groups of Congress J and Congress O was the Congress party for the purpose of para 15 of the symbols order. Now, that is a separate matter which your lordships are dealing with, where this has also become one of the considerations. And this para of Sadiq Ali in that other matter that your lordships are dealing with. That this is one of the indicators, valid indicators available. So to come and say that you've only done it in the legislature party, there's nothing in the political party. And their entire argument, my lords, was, with great respect, that on 18th you had a meeting and you showed the minutes of 27th. It's factually wrong. I'll argue it there in that matter. They're two separate meetings. They're factually incorrect statements made that you had a meeting on the 18th, but there are no minutes, there are no signatures. That's not the subject matter of the reference before your lordships at all. And I'll argue it there. There are two separate meetings. Requisite members attended it. And please do not confuse the minutes of one meeting with the holding of another meeting. My lords, I'm very, very grateful. Your lordships have been extremely kind and patient. I'm extremely grateful, my lords, and the 3 notes I've given. I'm extremely grateful.
Thank you, Mr. Kaur. We'll now argue Mr. Jit.